Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to bring back the classic WordPress widgets in a simple and practical way. If you're one of those who miss the classic widgets and prefer them over the new block-based widget editor, you're in the right place. In just a few steps, you'll be able to restore the classic widgets and enjoy their familiar and straightforward functionality. Step 1. Log into your WordPress dashboard. First, log into your WordPress dashboard using your username and password. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Step 2. Access the plugin menu. In the dashboard, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll find the Plugins option in the menu. Click on it to access the plugin management page. Step 3. Add new plugin. Once you're on the Plugins page, you'll see a button that says Add New at the top of the page. Click on Add New to start searching for a plugin that will help us bring back the classic widgets. Step 4. Search for Classic Widgets. In the search bar, type Classic Widgets and hit Enter. This will initiate a search for plugins related to Classic Widgets. Step 5. Install and activate the Classic Widgets plugin. You should see a plugin called Classic Widgets listed in the search results. Click the Install Now button next to the Classic Widgets plugin. Once the installation is complete, activate the plugin by clicking the Activate button.